Mayan Central. Today we'll be covering the culture developments of the Mayans. These are my two co-hosts,
Rada, Catlin,
and I'm Dahlia.
and I will be talking to you guys about the two Mayan pyramids.
And I will be talking about human sacrificing.
And I'll be covering the three major calendars of the Mayan culture.
So stay tuned.
I'm Rada, and today I'm going to be talking about the three major calendars in the Mayan system. The Mayans created many different calendars, but the most common were the Hab, Toscan, and the calendar round. The Hab calendar, which consisted of 365 days, was very similar to the Christian calendar, although it did not include a leap year. The Hab calendar is made up of 18 months of 20 days and a final short month of only 5 days. The Toscan calendar is the oldest calendar cycle known in Mesoamerica. This calendar consists of 260 days, no months or weeks. Each day has its own symbol and meaning, so say a child is born on the day Kib. That child is predicted to be studious, respectful of others, and intelligent. So based on the day that you are born is how you are expected to behave. Lastly is the calendar round, which is an interweave of the Hab and Toscan calendar. The calendar count was based on a ritual cycle of 260 named days and a year of 365 days. Altogether, they form a longer cycle of 18,980 days, or 52 years of 365 days.
Hi, I'm Dahlia, and I'm reporting live from Mayan Central. The Mayans are lauded for their achievements, their art and architecture, their calendar and developed culture. But there was a grimmer side to the civilization: human sacrifice. In southern Mexico into northern Central America is where the Mayan people lived. They believed in human sacrifice. Human sacrificing was part of their religion. They believed this was a balance in the world. This was performed by a priest called the Nacum. The Nacum was in charge of cutting the heads of the victims. The Mayans would sacrifice people or animals. Usually when they would sacrifice people, it was a child because they were innocent, and this took place during elaborate ceremonies. They believed a living creature was a powerful blood offering. After they sacrificed the person, he or she was thrown down the temple stairs. Other ceremonies, they believed a living creature was a powerful blood offering. After they sacrificed a person, he or she was thrown down the temple stairs. Other methods of sacrifice including drowning, beating, mutilation, or arrow sacrificing. The Mayan believed that human sacrifice pleased the gods and kept the world in balance. They would also cut themselves to offer their blood to the gods.
Good evening and good night to everyone around the world. I'm Catlin, reporting live from Mayan Central. Now today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Mayans. The Mayans were most famous for their pyramids. There were two types of pyramids. The first type of pyramid was used for holding sacrificial rituals, which you have learned from my co-anchor Dahlia. The other pyramid was sacred. Now you're probably thinking, why would anyone construct a pyramid that no one could step on? Well, the Mayans believed that the pyramid brought them closer to the gods. Therefore, they built the pyramids so high that the tops could be seen sticking out of the jungle. Since the pyramids were so tall, the Mayan people used the pyramids as landmarks so that it would be easier. It's built around 1000 BC up until the time of the Spanish conquest in the early 16th century. Padre nuestro, que estás en cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino, haz tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día, y también nosotros perdonamos nuestros ofensas. No los dejes caer en la tentación, y líbranos de todo mal. Amén. Dios te salve María, llena eres de gracias, el Señor es contigo, bendita tú eres entre todas las mujeres, y bendito es tu fruto de tu vientre Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruega por nosotros los pecadores, ahora y la hora de su muerte. Amén.
Good evening. Rhea, and today, not Rhea.